today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user access for a folder on your desktop. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you share your computer with colleagues or family members and need to manage who can view or edit the contents of a particular folder. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to locate the folder in question on your desktop. Make sure you have it clearly in view to avoid any confusion. It's important to ensure that you've selected the correct folder since any changes made will directly affect how others can interact with your files. Once you've found the folder you'd like to adjust, go ahead and right-click on it. Right-clicking opens up a context menu filled with various options. This is like a little toolbox for your folder where you can adjust its settings, copy, paste, and much more. In our case, we're going to focus on the option that helps us manage permissions. From this menu, you'll see an option called Properties. Click on that, and when you do, a new window pops up displaying a variety of settings related to your folder. The Properties window is where a lot of the folder's configurations live, so it's a good place to get familiar with. Next, you're going to need to look for a tab called Sharing in this window. This is where we'll make the magic happen. The Sharing tab is specifically designed to allow you to modify how the folder is shared with other users. Go ahead and click on Share. This will open another window that provides options to change who can access your folder and what they can do with it. From this point on, it's straightforward. You have the freedom to add new users or remove existing ones. This means you can dictate exactly who has the ability to view or edit the files within your folder. If you want to add a user, you'll often be prompted to enter an email address or username, and you can set what kind of permission they have, whether it's read-only or full access. Conversely, if there's someone who no longer needs access, you can easily remove them from this list. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully managed the user access for your folder, adding another layer of control and security over your digital workspace. It's as simple as following these steps, and you'll gain peace of mind knowing that only the right people have access to your important files. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you're unsure at any point. Practice makes perfect. And with a little repetition, you'll master these tasks in no time. As always, keep exploring and learning more about your digital tools. There's so much they can do for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.